Morning Q Services, Q Washers. We're on with the Yanmar L100, and this is what happens when you don't use the belt tensioning plate. So on this design here, they've got no body in the frame because of the brackets folding up. Now they use the brackets folding up to stop the plate from folding and bending in the middle, so they use it as a strengthening point. But the thing is, the Yanmar engine, like I said earlier on in the other video, is tight up at that side, so the engine can't be moved over anymore. There's no room on the tension. They've used these as a tensioning plate. Instead of using a proper tensioning plate, they've used these, the brackets themselves. What simply happened is, just snapped. But they've also, if you look there, you'll see. So if you look at the bracket, turn it over this way, you'll see how much they've cut out of the bracket to make it fit in the first place. So if we move it to there, put that point in, and you'll see what they've done is they've cut down it because they've not got the room. As you can see there, they've had to take some out because they can't tension the plate up otherwise. So they've used this part as a tensioning plate. Just push foot onto it, push it forward. What we're trying to do is lift it up a touch and then put a tensioning system in, so this doesn't happen again for this customer. This machine is only just over a year old, and this has happened on this. This is Yanmar L100. No naming and shaming, but what a crazy, sad design. Thank you very much, Q Washers, Q Services, eBay, YouTube.